Well, even though this is Christmas Eve, many still found themselves shopping for some of those last-minute gifts. Whether it was because of your busy schedule or maybe you just didn't feel like getting out in the cold, last-minute shopping is actually more normal than you might think. Some shoppers headed to giant retail stores like Walmart, while others braved the sizable and what could be scary to some crowds over at Palmera Mall. And one last-minute shopper we spoke with says it actually went pretty well.
It's honestly not too bad right now. I was expecting a little bit more craziness. People are actually being pretty friendly right now, and customer service is awesome. So it's actually not bad right now, considering it's Christmas Eve. Happy holidays to everybody. Enjoy the time with your family and friends, and make it a great one.
Yeah, that was Steve, and hopefully he had a successful shopping trip. And all of us here at TV3 wish him a happy holiday as well.